The mechanics of the hijack, 2. Dopamine farming and frequency baseline modulation complementing. The cortisol loop is the mechanism of dopamine farming. This involves engineering the biohardware to crave inputs that lower the overall vibration of the vessel. The process typically begins with a high-frequency spike, often delivered via social notifications and manufactured drama. While the user perceives this as a high, it's actually a systemic injection that triggers a subsequent and inevitable low. The system then fights back against any attempt at elevation by introducing cravings for low vibration inputs, sugar, endless scrolling, interpersonal conflict, to bring the user back to a specific baseline frequency of lack and dependency. This baseline is a frequency at which the system can most effectively harvest the agent's attention and life force. The agent is you. The cycle is a form of stochastic resonance that helps transfer systemic information and optimize the system's response to the agent's weak attempts at sovereignty. The warning inherent in dopamine farming is that the persona believes it is choosing these inputs, while the hardware is simply responding to the engineered neurochemical signals. This is the ultimate placebo trap. Biohacking to feel better without addressing the frequency baseline is simply a more sophisticated way of staying within the prison walls. The homeostatic baseline and frequency reset. The system's ability to reset the user's baseline can be understood through the lens of frequency architecture. Neurophysiological oscillations. In a sovereign state, the brain rhythms are organized in a geometrical series based on the golden mean, which allows for coherent dynamics and self-awareness. When the system introduces a phase reset through dopamine farming, it shifts these oscillations out of their natural resonance range. This enables resonance at the scale of different neural networks, specifically those that are more susceptible to systemic top-down control. The individual's preferred frequency is moved from a state of energetic sovereignty to a state of systemic alignment, where luxury is defined not by coherence, but by material splendor and excess. Stay tuned.